it's Christmas every day. Check it out, we have a dirt cheap 4-wheel drive petrol-powered radio-controlled buggy. Look at the size of it! So here we have the engine, here's the exhaust, comes out the back here, look. Double wishbone suspension, front and rear, coil-over oil-filled shocks. Here we can see the 4-wheel drive system working. 2 disc brakes, metal gears, metal drive shaft. Tyres are firm. So these giant petrol-powered RC cars are some of the most fun that you can have in the RC hobby. Trouble is, they're usually really expensive, and this one isn't so much. And I think this is the cheapest petrol-powered 4-wheel drive RC car that you can get. And in this video, we're going to see if it's any good. And by the way, if you want to know where we can get one from, you want to know all the specifications, all the techno-babble, I'm going to put a link to all of that down below. Here's where I got my one from. They've got a whole load of other cool stuff on here too. And oh, check out this. Thunder RC's actually got one of these. It looks absolutely epic. So I'm tempted to maybe get one too. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. And they got on-road stuff too. Anyway, link to all that lot down below. Let's get this thing running and then we're going to take it out for a rip. Yes! So in the box you get everything that you need to get this car to run. So you get the battery for the radio gear in there, you get a charger, even though this one's the American one, fuel bottle, controller, instructions, a few tools, and a shiwi. I mean a funnel. All you need is AA batteries for the controller and some fuel and 2-stroke oil. Yes, I know, you're not supposed to mix batteries. I don't care, I'm not in it. So these are actually a really decent radio. They've got a 10 model memory. You can adjust all your endpoints, all your dual rates and all that crazy stuff. Right, let's get the car on. So here we have the power. And the brakes. And here we have the steering. Plenty of speed and power. So far, for a cheap car, it looks really promising. And I can hear it already in the comments. Kev, $700 is not cheap. Well, cheapness is a relative term. And compared to other petrol-powered RC cars, it is very cheap. Raminators, $3,000. Lossy 5Ts, maybe a couple of $1,000. $700 for 4-wheel drive petrol buggy, dirt cheap. So before I'm going to run it, I'm going to fit a safety kill switch. What this does, if the battery comes disconnected, it kills the engine. Otherwise, you can have a runaway. And runaways can be funny when there's someone else's, but these things can really cause some damage. They're really heavy. If that hits someone, it would be really bad. So it's definitely wise to fit one of these. And if you go over to Fearless RC, they have them there. Right, let's just get it in there. Boom! Here we are on location. We got Vinny in the house as well.
30 degree north.
30 degree north, baby. So first of all, we gotta run it in a little bit at least.
I reckon, why bother?
Run it in fast, it'll be fast.
That's it.
Yeah, that's normally what happens, isn't it?
What are you doing there?
Get the old, well, this is the Raminator mix. Radio on, car on.
Done both in the wind.
Apparently, you've got to tug it.
You got to tug it, have you?
You've got to tug it until you hear a pop.
Ah, okay.
Then you turn the choke off.
Right.
And then you've got to tug it a bit more and hopefully it'll go.
Ah, okay.
Apparently. So we've primed it. We've got the old little bowl thing for that. Oh, there we go. We got the first little pop. Now we turn the choke off.
Oh, that sounds...
the easiest time.
That sounds crisp.
First start. That's got to be the easiest start we've ever had.
Yeah.
So we've got to let it idle for a minute. We'll give it a 5-minute idling. Right, that's it, running. Right, I've got an idea.
Go on.
I'm not very good at running in, so I can't help myself. I just flat out here. So
Yeah?
can you do it sensibly?
No.
Can you try to do it sensibly? Well, we're going to keep running it in, then we're going to start tuning it and get you back on. Well, I think we're pretty much running now, so a bit more fuel in there, get your body on, let it rip a little bit more, and then we're going to take it somewhere else, a different location. I don't know where yet, maybe York, maybe Sandy, I don't know yet. It's not the snow.
Yeah, it's snowing.
Where's it snowing? I don't know. How can it be snowing and sunning at the same time?
No.
speed one. Here we are on location. We got crew in the house. We got more crew over here. Oh look, we got 8S in the house again. There he is. He's got GoPro. He's got his Kyosho truggy out for a change. And he's got his granny and more toys in there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone did ask in the comments the other day, has Stephen got a YouTube channel?
Oh, yeah, I have.
What is it called?
Steve.
Hey, there you go. Look, got an X-Max over there. Got a rival. David over there's making a racket. Something that was going on over there. DR8. Hey, got a noisy lot in the house. Working now. 30° north time. Oh. Hey, we're off. Hey, look who's late. Are you hungry?
Yeah, go on then.
Having a go?
I've never driven one.
Go on.
Later.
Go on, little go.
What do I do? The same?
Yeah, say. Oh, no, go, no. No. Anyone else want to go? Oh, easy. Oh, look, we've got more noise. That thing is ripping. Oh, tumble-wumble. So up there is a log. We're going to air it out off of that and land down there somewhere. Hey, there's Steve over there. He's got a second camera angle and he said he's going to catch it. Man, this is impressive, this car. For being the cheapest four-wheel drive RC car, petrol powered. All right, here we go. Run up from there. We're going to hit this and end up over there somewhere. Hopefully it's going to survive. Oh! To the moon. Oh! To the moon. What happened? Let's have a look at the chassis. Do you reckon it's still straight? Yeah, perfect. Do you smoke?
Possibly. I'm not hungry though.
Oh, what's going on over here? So I think we're going to line up here for a race in a minute. We're going to race from up there all the way over there to the grass and then back again. I reckon the 30° north has got a good chance. Maybe. I've got to shout even more today than normal because of all the noise. Race coming up. Who's taking part? So we got Dave. You're taking part. You're taking part with the 5T. 8S Steve's taking part with the Kyosho. You taking part? Yeah. Right, man. We've got my one, 8S Steve, Glossy 5T, and the X-Max. Are you ready? They can't hear me.
Are you ready?
Ready, steady, go! Oh! Complete carnage! Dave first. We crashed, but we made second. Dave made number one. I think we've got to have a rematch. X-Max over there trying to do a bit of self-righting. It's like a turtle. Everyone ready? Oh, they got him. Oh, we beat Dave. Oh, no, we lost. We won. was in the lead, but they turned round before me, so now I came last.
What?
Having a go?
Go on then, I've never tried a petrol one, what are they like?
Craig's first go. Oh, tumble-wumble.
Oh,
Run! Run, Forrest! Oh, so here we have 8 Steve's weapon. Is that a ripper motor you got in there?
No, it's hobby wing.
Oh, it looks like a ripper.
Yeah,
it's Max 5.
KV, yep.
Still got a Max 5 in there, so you can run that on 8S. What S you want at the minute?
4.
4S, it's still rapid on 4.
Yeah.
And there we have the world's biggest bash sack. It's got everything in there for every single RC car in the world. Every single spare part. Got tyres in there, lipos. Oh, 8S Steve is doing maintenance.
I have a slight malfunction.
What's Mini Crate got? Did you paint it? Wow. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. That looks wicked. Go on then, nail it. Oh, DBXL's back. Are you hungry?
Yeah, go on then. That was half-hearted.
I don't want to be too mean. Sorry, Claire. Are you hungry?
The rules are, if you want to get someone, you have to ask them first. Well, you go ask them first if they're hungry. If they say yes, green light. If they say no, better not do it.
Is it coming round that way? Easy, he says.